Buenos días, good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. During this first week, I don't want you to stress out thinking about which assignments do I have on my Spanish 1 class or Spanish 2 classes. What I want you to know is to get to know this platform. See where the assignments are located. Check where the schedule of assignments is located. Find where you can communicate with your teachers. Look where you can submit your work. That's going to be your task for this week on each one of your courses that you're taking. Keep in mind that you're taking a class on an online platform that is new for you and is also new for the teachers. Teachers are still getting to know this platform. Suggestion for you. You can go to YouTube and do some research on how to use Moodle for students. Watch the tutorial and it will help you to ease the transition from face-to-face to online environment. Let me give you some tips one more time. In an online environment, you need to develop your routine. It's like you were in a face-to-face school day. Start early, 8 in the morning, work 45 minutes on a class, take a break, go outside, breathe clean air, and come back inside and continue working. Exactly as you were in a face-to-face classroom. Stick to your routine is important. Don't think that you're going to complete all the online assignments the very last day, because that's an impossible. Online teaching and online instruction as a student means that you decide when you are going to do your work. It gives you some type of freedom, but if you neglect that freedom, that can become a nightmare. So, one more time, develop your routine and stick to your routine. This is the Moodle page for SC Virtual, that's Spanish 2, and as you see, you have on the left side course overview and introduction, review unit, and the lessons in here. I have to paste the material that you're going to be reviewing, studying, and the assignments that you're going to be completing and turning to me through this platform. Something important that we need to keep in mind is what we call etiquette. Whenever you want to communicate with your teachers, make sure that you type the email of the person, you add a subject, problems with submitting my work, and the politeness of the situation. Good morning, Mr. Muñoz. My name is Johnny Key. I am in your Spanish 2 online SC Virtual. And let me say with Johnny. This should be mandatory in your communication. We are switching from face-to-face to online. So it's not like you were in a classroom and then you raise your hand or you just open your mouth and say whatever you want to say to the teacher. This is more formal at the same time. So this should be your introduction. What is your topic of your communication? the greeting, the formality of your communication. Always say, write your name and in which class you are. And at the end, don't forget, you may add your own signature at the bottom of the email, or at the end you may say something as simple as have thank you or thanks and have a great day. That goes a long way with your instructor. It's either me or another instructor that you may have. Keep in mind the formality of communication between you and your teacher. This is all what I have for you today. So again, let's get to know this platform and let's stay in touch. Have a blessed day.